Welcome to my Email Octopus Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll break down the key features of Email Octopus, explain who it's designed for, and give you my honest thoughts after using it. Email Octopus is an affordable yet powerful email marketing and automation tool, perfect for small businesses and startups looking to scale their email campaigns without breaking the bank. It's particularly suited for those with smaller email lists, as the pricing structure is incredibly competitive, especially for beginners. The first thing that stands out about Email Octopus is its ease of use. The interface is clean, intuitive, and simple to navigate, which makes it ideal for users who don't have a lot of technical experience. Setting up email campaigns and automations is straightforward, and the drag-and-drop email builder allows you to create professional emails with minimal effort. Plus, the tool integrates seamlessly with services like Zapier, Google Sheets, and Shopify, which adds a lot of flexibility for automation and tracking. When it comes to automation, Email Octopus offers robust features that allow you to create personalized workflows based on user actions. You can set up triggers like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or even re-engagement campaigns. The workflow builder is simple yet effective, allowing you to create multi-step automations without any coding skills. This feature is a big time saver for marketers and business owners looking to nurture leads automatically. For reporting, Email Octopus provides detailed analytics, including open rates, click rates, and deliverability, giving you the insights needed to optimize your campaigns. While it may not have the depth of analytics offered by larger tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, it provides all the essential metrics that most small businesses need. And for those who need to send large volumes of emails, the tool offers advanced segmentation and A/B testing to ensure you're targeting the right audience with the right message. In terms of pricing, Email Octopus is incredibly cost-effective. It offers a free tier for lists of up to 2,500 subscribers, with paid plans starting at just $8 per month for up to 10,000 subscribers. Given its robust feature set, it offers excellent value for money. Overall, Email Octopus is a fantastic option for small businesses or solopreneurs who need a straightforward, affordable email marketing tool. Its automation capabilities, ease of use, and value for money make it a solid choice for anyone looking to boost their email marketing efforts. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, cost-effective solution, Email Octopus should definitely be on your radar.